Aspiring to reach new heights? Do you live a life where every detail matters? Every worthwhile journey presents opportunities as well as challenges, where every element around you projects confidence, providing the strength to move forward. When everyday life commands you to think clearly and see things from a boundless vantage point, you need a visual escape that inspires your every move. Welcome to Horizon Hunter. Every strategy becomes more precise. Every move becomes a gateway to the next bold move. Soaring above it all, no matter where you are or what you're doing, inspiration continues to flow through you. Everything becomes sharper, more focused. No matter the time of day, this is where you align in thought and in movement until the solutions are in your grasp. Daily wins then become a habit, all for the most valued in your life. Own the vision. Feel the inspiration. Horizon Hunter.